In other news, a special event called In Concert, an occasion specially prepared for the upcoming centennial celebration of the Iglesia ni Cristo, was so successful that even Batangas Governor Vilma Santos, where the concert was held, couldn't help but watch in awe. Even Governor Vilma Santos' husband, Senator Ralph Recto, was there to witness the blessed event. There were other popular personalities who attended as well.
Congratulations to Iglesia ni Cristo. No? It was a very good concert to begin with. Pangalawa, napakalaki ng tulong na nagagawa ninyo sa lalawigan ng Batangas. Magandang halimbawa ang Iglesia, pamilya ng Iglesia, sa lahat ng pamilya dito sa lalawigan ng Batangas.
Ang sarap pakinggan yung history ng ating mga kapatid sa Iglesia, kung paano ito nagsimula, nasaan na ito ngayon, kung paano sila hindi pinaniniwalaan ng una, but they were able to survive. Kailangan po ngayon ay spiritual support. At yan ang binibigay ng mga kapatid sa Iglesia. So, bilang gobernador ng lalawigan, our congratulations sa pangalan po ng mga Batanggenyo, our congratulations po sa 99th anniversary ng ating po mga kapatid sa Iglesia. Looking forward sa inyong 100 years.
There were other personalities who expressed their appreciation and congratulated the Iglesia ni Cristo.
Concert like this, wari ko ito yung unang pagkakataon. And I would like to congratulate the Iglesia ni Cristo, lalo higit ang Batangas District, for a job well done.
Meanwhile, Governor Vilma Santos said they're mulling the idea of suspending classes for the Lingap sa Mamamayan to be held on Friday.
Inaasikaso namin ngayon, siguro kung hindi man holiday, magkakaroon tayo ng parang executive pag-uutos na yung pati sa eskwela ay baka hindi muna papasukin ang mga bata para hindi naman na traffic and at the same time makakonsentrate sa selebrasyon ng ating mga kapatid sa iglesia. Executive order.